Shri Owaisi.
Thank you, Madam. Madam, the Ministry has been allocated 99,050 crores in BE 25-26. This marks a meager increase over 98,714 crores allocated in BE 24-25. The Ministry, Madam, I stand to oppose because the Ministry has faced severe underutilization of funds in 24-25, with the revised estimate being 48% lower than the allocation at just rupees 51,558 crores. Madam, if you see, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation has been allocated 74,296 crore in 2026. This is a reduction in allocation compared to 76,570 crore allocated in BE 24-25. Now, the trend of underutilization, Madam, is 74% underutilization in 2021, 72% utilization in 21-22, 88% utilization in 22-23, and only 31.4% funds utilized till January 24-25. In Jal Jeevan Mission, Madam, the allocation under the scheme has reduced from 70,160 crore in BE 24-25 to 67,000 crore in 25-26. This scheme has also seen limited utilization in 24-25, with only 31.35 funds utilized until February 25, Madam. In Jal Jeevan Mission, we declare victory on paper. The ground is different, Madam. Reports from Maharashtra, Solapur, Aurangabad, Palghar and Palghani districts reveal persistent water shortages. In drought-stricken Bundelkhand in UP, people across multiple districts still desperately searching for water. The government all claims mean little when taps remain dry and basic survival remains a deadly battle, Madam. Madam, the Swachh Bharat mission, again, government can boost success. I give you example of how these funds have been utilized. In 2020-21, 49% allocated, 9,094 crores utilized. In 21-22, 31% allocated, 9,094 crore utilized. In 22-23, 68.5% allocated of 7,192 crore utilized. In 23-24, 94.6% allocated, 7,092 crore utilized. In 24-25, Madam, 32.7% allocated of the 7,192 crore utilized. Even more concerning, Madam, is from 2021 to 2023, 50% of funds allocated by the center to states for Swachh Bharat mission has been released, only 50%. Even in critical solid waste management. Solid waste management, 4 years, Madam, 2021-25, only 4,96,610 villages have been covered out of total target of 9,81,827, a shortfall of 50%. Liquid waste management, since 2021, Madam, only 4,25,625 villages have been covered out of a target of 8,30,345. Madam, Telangana specific issues. My government has long been demanding national status for Palmaru Rangareddy lift irrigation scheme under the Ministry of Jal Shakti national status. Moreover, the DPR has been pending for appraisal with Central Water Commission. Madam, Government of Telangana has submitted a proposal to the Ministry of Jal Shakti for the linking of Godavari with Musi River. This is said to provide 5 TMC of water to Musi River, facilitating its
just a minute, Mr. Owaisi, just a minute. So we have a very long list of members who wish to speak on the subject, and if the House agrees, we can extend the time till 8 p.m.
Yeah, agreed.
Thank you, Mr. Owaisi.
Thank you, Madam. For River Musi, Madam, the 5 TMC of water to Musi River facilitating its cleaning and project would also supply 15 TMC drinking water to Hyderabad and urban region. This proposal is currently pending with Ministry. State government has been requesting for the sanction of 7,400 crore in financial assistance for the project under Amrut 2 as a special project. But alas, Madam, I don't know why this government hates the Telangana people by not sanctioning this. And the most important point, Madam, Andhra Pradesh is violating the bifurcation water sharing ratio. They are taking 75% as compared to 66, and Telangana is getting only 25 as compared to 34. I'm concluding, Madam. In February 24, Telangana Assembly has passed a resolution not to hand over component of Srisalam and Arjuna Sagar to KRMB. The same has been communicated to the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Madam. Unfortunately, the government has not taken interest. Madam, may I point to this government that under Article 21, Madam, water is a fundamental right as interpreted by the Apex under right to life. Yet government owns data says 21.9% of the rural households still lack potable water. Entire districts are plagued by high arsenic uranium levels and numerous rivers are biological dead. Women in Maharashtra and Bundelkhand still walk miles for water and are forced to scoop murky water. from bottom of wells and ponds. Every single day this government fails to fulfill its mandate. It is in no simpler words violating the fundamental right of millions of citizens. Maybe I think so the Mughals are to be blamed for this also. Thank you, madam.